If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited in bright white. With LED daytime running headlamps, blind spot and cross path detection, 18-inch aluminum wheels, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 24,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, a dual-pane panoramic sunroof, all powered by a 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5739.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.